Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy in case you're new here, and today I brought you this very gorgeous crochet earrings tutorial. It's absolutely for beginners. Honestly, this is really easy. You just need to have 2 of your old earrings and you're ready to go. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in the Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. We're going to need to have the following materials. I'm going to use a scrap yarn. We really don't need to have much of it. This is Trasfere Fiocco size 2 yarn. I'm going to put it on the screen. This is 100% cotton yarn. Then we are going to use a 2.5mm crochet hook. We will need to have 2 different types of beads, pearl beads. One of them is 8mm and the other one is 3mm. Then we will need to have 2 earrings. These ones are 3 centimeters. We're going to use another kind of crochet hook. This is 0.75. It really doesn't matter the size. We just needed to be able to pick up the pearl beads, so something that can pass through in the middle center of it. Then we will need to have a yarn needle and a scissor. We're going to start by making a slip knot, so just insert 2 of your fingers, rotate and grab the longer yarn. Then grab the earring, insert inside, just like this, add the crochet hook, and we're just going to secure it, make it smaller. We're going to hold on to this yarn and then we are going to pull over. Now I'm going to secure a little bit more and have a look. We are going to also crochet over this yarn, go under, grab the yarn, and we are going to make 26 times single crochet into this ring. So pull over. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then finally 26. Okay, perfect. Now we are going to chain 1, turn the work, and in the same stitch here, the first one, we are going to make 1 more time a single crochet. So pull through, yarn over and pull over in both of the 2 stitches. Then to the next 7 stitches we will need to do a single crochet, yarn over, pull over. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then to the next stitch we will do 2 times single crochets, so 1 and then 2. Then to the next 7 stitches we will do single crochets only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, And the next one, we are going to do 2 times single crochets into the same stitch. So 1 and 1 more time the same stitch, 2. Then to the next 8 stitches we will do single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 'I'm gonna just a little bit adjust it, so a little bit pull it in this way. If you're going to close it, it's easier. And then the last stitch, we are going to make 2 times single crochets. So this is 1, and then 1 more time to the same stitch, 2. This is how it looks like so far. Then we are going to chain 1, turn the work, and now we are going to grab the beads. Then we will get the smaller crochet hook. We are going to grab one of the beads, going to insert the crochet hook, and we need to pull that through. Now we are going to add back the other crochet hook, the bigger one, and we are going to insert it in the next loop and make a slip stitch. Now pull out slightly, add the smaller crochet hook. Now we are going to grab the bigger bead, insert, and pull it through. Just like this. Add back the bigger crochet hook. Now we are going to skip 1 stitch and we are going to insert it in the second one. So when we have the bigger bead, we are going to insert every time in the second chain, just like this. Pull out slightly. Let's add 1 smaller one with the smaller crochet hook, insert, pull it through, add back the bigger crochet hook, and once we have the smaller bead, we have to make a slip stitch to the next stitch. So the bigger one every second stitch, if the smaller one every stitch. Okay, now we're gonna get the bigger, insert, have to pay attention to this one because sometimes the yarn just divides, so you have to kind of pay attention to keep it together. So this was a bigger one, we're gonna skip 1, and then the second one we're gonna make a slip stitch, just like this. Pull out slightly, going to get another one, a small one, insert, pull it through, add the bigger crochet hook. It was a small, so the next stitch, make a slip stitch, just like this. Add the big one with the smaller crochet hook, grab the yarn, pull it through, add back the bigger crochet hook. This was a big bead, so we have to skip 1, and the second one we insert the crochet hook and make a slip stitch, and just continue like this until the end of the round. I just added the last bead and I'm going to insert into the last chain, grab over and make a slip stitch just like this. Then we're going to chain 1, leave some excess tail now, and you can cut the yarn. Then we are going to pull the yarn out, secure it, add the yarn needle. So we just need to make a couple of stitches here in the back side. This is my back side, this is my front, so we want to make it between the stitches. We don't want it to be visible from either side. So I'm just going to insert, pull it through. Gonna have a look maybe in here as well. Going to insert, pull it through. Just a couple of stitches, just really to make sure that it doesn't come off. Gonna do it in one more. Then we can cut the excess yarn. And here we go, one of our earring is ready. Don't forget, you have to make another one from this one too. So our gorgeous earrings just got ready and I think they turned out very beautiful. Please let me know how yours turned out, and don't forget to tag me on my other social media platforms as well, such as TikTok or Instagram, and show it to me. And also, if you have any additional comments as well, how can I improve my videos or my content in general, don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. Now take care and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.